In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple text video using Crello, also known as Vista Create. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to easily create visually stunning videos, even if you're just starting and have no prior experience in design. We're going to walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to create your own eye-catching videos with ease. First, you'll need to log in to Crello or Vista Create. If you don't have an account yet, it's quite straightforward to sign up. Just follow the prompts on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options to start a new project. In this case, we're going to choose to create a video. Crello offers a wide range of video templates, some of which come with pre-made motion or video backgrounds. These templates can be a great starting point if you want a ready-made look. However, if you're feeling creative or want something very specific, you can start with a blank design. When starting from scratch, it's essential to set the right canvas dimensions based on your project's needs. For instance, if you're creating content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Stories, you might want to go with a vertical format, such as 1080 by 1920 pixels. Conversely, for YouTube or most web applications, a landscape format, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels, might be more suitable. Once you've decided on the dimensions, it's time to add your background. You can do this by simply dragging a motion background from the selection on the left side of the screen onto your canvas, or by clicking on it to insert it directly. Now, let's move on to adding text, which is a crucial part of making sure your message gets across. Look at the left menu and click on the text option. Crello provides you with various text styles to fit your needs, whether it's a heading, subheading, body text, or even a predefined animated text style that can bring your video to life. After choosing your desired style, you'll need to type in the text you want to display. This could be anything from a title, a quote, or a message you're eager to share with your audience. Once you've added your text, take a moment to adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Crello offers an array of customization options that allow you to personalize your text precisely how you want it. Feel free to experiment here. Sometimes small tweaks can greatly enhance the overall aesthetic of your video. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a text video that's both professional looking and tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Crello.